You want your seeds, buddy? Hey, you want your seeds? Take them. Come on. Have some seeds. There you go. Yeah, I'll put them over here. Here you go. You fly down there and get them. Go on. You fly down there and get them. Whoa, there he goes. There you go. Now you can eat them yourself, eh? Don't scare him, Alden. Come on, away from the seeds. Come on, get away. You're okay, buddy. You're okay. Get your seeds. He won't hurt you. You're okay. Get your seeds. Go on. Don't be a sissy. There you go. Don't disturb him again, Odin. Let him have his seeds. Don't keep birds in cages, guys. Like, share, subscribe.